The Jamaica Constabulary Force are on high alert for possible reprisal after Roy Fowl's murder.
Now, Father Roy Fowl, big up enough. No thing
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police say they have increased their presence in the Grove Road area and several other communities in and around the St. Andrew Central Police Division, following reports that criminals have been planning to carry out reprisal attacks for the killing of businessman and music promoter Owen Clark, more popularly known as Roy Fowl or Father Fowl. We have been getting a number of reports that individuals are planning a number of attacks, but the police have stepped up their presence and have put things in place to clamp down on any such developments, said a senior officer from the police division. The police declined to say what are some of the security measures that have been implemented, but said criminals will not be allowed to wreak havoc in the communities that are reportedly being targeted. 61-year-old Clark was shot and killed in the Kencott area of St. Andrew late on Friday night, February 22nd. Reports are that he was about to leave a party that was being held on Grove Road near Halfway Tree when he was attacked by men who sources said were traveling on motorcycles. The men reportedly shot Clark, then fled the scene. Police said they are yet to identify a motive behind the attack.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.